One of the best and most influential physicists of all time, Albert Einstein was a theoretical physicist who was born in Germany. The theory of relativity is what Einstein is most famous for, although he also made significant contributions to the theory of quantum mechanics. The two foundational theories of modern physics are relativity and quantum mechanics. The most famous equation in the world is his relativity-derived mass-energy equivalence formula, E=mc². His writing is also renowned for its impact on scientific thought. His discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect, which was a crucial milestone in the development of quantum theory, earned him the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. His creativity and intellectual prowess led to Einstein coming to represent genius. One of the man-made elements in the periodic table, Einsteinium, bears his name. Einstein wrote 4 seminal works in 1905, a year that is commonly referred to as his annus mirabilis, wonder year. They described the photoelectric effect hypothesis, clarified Brownian motion, established special relativity, and illustrated the equality of mass and energy. The idea that the electromagnetic field's principles and those of classical mechanics could no longer be harmonized inspired Einstein to create his special theory of relativity. Later, Einstein expanded the theory to include gravitational fields. His theory of gravitation was first presented in a 1916 paper on general relativity. He used the general theory of relativity to model the universe's structure in 1917. He persisted in working on statistical mechanics and quantum theory issues, which eventually led to his explanations of particle theory and molecular motion. He also looked into the quantum theory of radiation and the thermal characteristics of light, which created the groundwork for the photon theory of light. He did, however, spend a significant amount of his later career working on 2 ultimately disastrous projects. Secondly, despite his significant contributions to quantum mechanics, he condemned what it grew into, protesting that God does not play dice. Second, he generalized his geometric theory of gravitation to encompass electromagnetic in an effort to create a unified field theory. He consequently grew more and more apart from the dominant current in modern physics. Although he relocated to Switzerland in 1895 and abandoned his German citizenship the following year, as a subject of the Kingdom of Württemberg, Einstein was born in the German Empire. He entered the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich's program for teaching diplomas in mathematics and physics in 1897 as a 17-year-old, and he graduated in 1900. He received his Swiss citizenship in 1901, which he held for the rest of his life, and in 1903 he was hired on as a permanent employee at the Bern location of the Swiss Patent Office. He received a doctorate from the University of Zurich in 1905. In order to join the Prussian Academy of Sciences and the Humboldt University of Berlin, Einstein relocated to Berlin in 1914. In 1917, Einstein returned to being a German citizen, this time as a Prussian, and was appointed director of the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics. While Einstein was on a trip to the United States in 1933, Adolf Hitler took office in Germany. As a Jew, Einstein disagreed with the Nazi Party's objectives, and in 1940 he moved to America and acquired American citizenship. He supported a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the eve of World War II warning him of the prospective German nuclear weapons development and urging the U.S. to start conducting similar research. Although he backed the Allies, Einstein was generally opposed to the idea of nuclear weapons.